Hello and welcome, Vitepos fans. In this video, we'll show you how to check stock for all outlet products within the stock module. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, thank you for being part of our community. To view all outlet products, start by navigating to the POS dashboard, then click on the POS stock module. In the top right corner, you'll find an outlet stock button. Click on it. Now, scan the product using the product ID to see the stock details for all outlets. You'll be able to view each outlet name along with the product quantities available. For example, the current stock of caps shows 10 at the Phoenix outlet, 50 at the California outlet, and 42 at the New York outlet. If you'd like, you can also search for products by name. Once you find the product, an action button will appear next to it. Here, you'll see an outlet stock button. Click on this button to view the outlet stock information. Here, you can see detailed information for each outlet, including the quantities available. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updated videos.